Here's a 2013 Chevrolet Cruze. This bold Cruze has the confidence to get you as far as your imagination can take you. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: external memory control, power heated mirrors, leather steering wheel, auto dimming rear view mirror, remote engine start, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.